To buy Vanguard ETFs. Start by understanding what they are and how they work. Vanguard ETFs are exchange-traded funds offered by the Vanguard Group, a leading investment management company. They are designed to track the performance of specific indexes, such as the S&P 500, and offer diversification and flexibility to investors. The first step in buying Vanguard ETFs is to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. This can be done through companies like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard itself. When opening the account, you will need to provide personal and financial information, as well as fund the account with money to invest. Next, research the different Vanguard ETFs available and choose the ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Vanguard offers a wide range of ETFs, including those that track domestic and international stocks, bonds, and commodities. Some popular options include the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF and the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF. Once you have selected the ETFs you want to buy, log into your brokerage account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy, and select the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy the ETF, known as a limit order. When buying Vanguard ETFs, it is essential to consider the costs associated with the investment. Vanguard ETFs are known for having low expense ratios, which can help keep costs down. However, you may also need to pay a trading commission, depending on the brokerage firm you use. To minimize costs, consider using a brokerage firm that offers commission-free trading on Vanguard ETFs. You can also take advantage Gavin to invest in ETFs, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Finally, it is crucial to have a long-term perspective when investing in Vanguard ETFs. These investments are designed to be held for an extended period, and it is essential to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals with Vanguard ETFs.